Rolling.
Hi, I'm Eric Liu.
I'm David Robert Leslie. I'm not testing.
I'm testing for intermediate small sword.
To a scene from Edge of Darkness. Good morning.
Yes, what is it?
I thought I'd only bother since you are the de facto commandant of the village to acquaint you with the decision that I've made.
I'm very busy.
I know. I hope you'll forgive me. I know I'm being selfish, but why did you want my house?
For a blockhouse. But what was it you wanted to talk about?
I cannot let you have my house.
You what?
I must forbid you to enter my house.
Are you an idiot? I could have you shot.
I know. But if you're interested, I'll tell you what led me to my conclusion, which, I promise you, is completely unshakable. For you see, it would be foolish for me to fear death as much as I love truth.
Okay, go on.
I have no guns, no armies, no force. I disdain.
Silence!
What you don't understand is that the individual man must stand against you like a
Will you
rock.
stop?
No. If I were afraid, there would be hope for you, but I'm not. There are certain things you cannot take away from me. What's mine is mine. Do you think you can stop the working of my brain and my heart? We are not animals. We are men. That is the foundation of law. You cannot win. I must forbid you my house.
He forbids. He forbids. Attention! Attention! Go to this man's house, take all of his belongings to the public square, and burn them as a lesson to the others. They must be taught to obey. That's an order!
Thank you.